just doing the demo on the buttonhole. So first thing you want to do is change the foot. So there's just a wee detachable thing at the back which drops it off, and then you'll put on your buttonhole foot, and you put the button in here for the size, and it automatically will do the right length for that buttonhole. So you'll put that in there. So you just lift the foot up and then click it into place, just like that. And then you've got a wee bit just back here that comes right down. So just put that, so that goes down like that. And then you can put your fabric under, just like that. And then you just make it so that it's just sitting, touching that. And then you select the buttonhole over here that you want. So there's two there, so we'll go for the wider one. And then you just literally start sewing. So you just put your foot down. You just keep your foot down and it will stop once it's completed the button, just like that. And that's it. And there's your buttonhole there, and you can just trim away the threads.